Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Volkswagen Passat. First, confirm your Passat supports remote start and have the key fob or VW app ready for pairing. I will guide you through enabling dealer features, pairing the app, and using the key fob safely. Follow each step slowly, test remote starts in a safe open area, and I will explain troubleshooting tips if the engine does not start. In this video, I will explain how to configure remote start on a Volkswagen Passat. Begin by accessing the remote start settings in the Volkswagen app or vehicle menu, then add your key fob following prompts. Enable permissions and confirm your VIN and account are linked. I will walk you through safety confirmations, recommended testing procedures, and ways to ensure the engine starts reliably each time you request it from the app or the fob. In this video, I will help you troubleshoot common remote start problems on a Volkswagen Passat. Start with simple checks like replacing the key fob battery and verifying vehicle battery health. Next, update the Volkswagen app and vehicle software to rule out compatibility issues. I will cover signal range limits, parking brake and gear requirements, and scenarios where dealer activation is needed, so you can diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.